Hello everyone. Here I am with a few questions by using factorial notation. Let's see. Find the values of the following. The first one is 6 factorial. The formula for n factorial is what? N factorial is equal to n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times so on till the last value 3 times 2 times 1, isn't it? So 6 factorial means 6 factorial is equal to, let's start with the 6 number, 5, 4, 3 times 2 times 1. So 6 5 is 30, 34 is 120, 123 is 360, 362 is 720. So 6 factorial value is 720. The next one. What is the value of 8 factorial? 8 factorial is equal to 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Here if you observe 8 into 7, this is nothing but 6 factorial only, no? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1. And we know already the value of 6 factorial. So we can write this as a 6 factorial. So 8 sevens are 56. 56 times 6 factorial value is 720. So if we multiply these two, the answer we get here 40,320. Hope I am not wrong. Okay. So like this we can apply. If we know the value of some digit, so we can apply for the bigger factorials. Now, this is 7 factorial by 3 factorial. How to find out this? First, we will write the 7 factorial. 7 factorial is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. We can write it as a 3 factorial only, no? Because we have in the denominator 3 factorial. So we are writing this number in the form of 3 factorial. 7 factorial also we can write in the form of 3 factorial. So this 3 factorial in the denominator and 3 factorial in the numerator get cancelled. So rest of the numerical values we can find out. 7 6 are 5 4 is 20, 26 are 120, 127 is 12, 7 are 840. Okay. So in this way we can find out any numerical factorials. Next type of question. Here is the second question. If n factorial is 720, then find the value of n. Sometimes the number they will give, we need to find out which factorial it is. So n factorial is equal to 720. Okay. So we already know that this 720 is nothing but 2 times, 3 times till some number. Okay. Because n factorial is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into so on 3 into 2 into 1. The least values are 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to find out which factorial it is. So first we will take the least digit in these numbers and we will divide. So 720 will take the least digit here. Any number if we divide with the 1 is the same, right? Quotient is the same. So the next least digit is 2 here. So we will take the 2 and divide the 720. So what is the quotient we get? 2 3 is 6. 1 is the remainder. 2 6 is 12. 360. Okay. 360 is the quotient. So take this quotient 360 and divide with next least digit is 3. So 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 0. Okay. Now we'll take this quotient and divide with the next least digit 4. 4 3 is a 12, 0. Take this quotient and divide the next least digit 5. 5 6 are 30. Take the quotient and digit with next least digit 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. Yeah, here we got 1. Quotient got 1. So, n factorial is nothing but 6 factorial. So, what is the n value? N is equal to 6. Factorial can be removed either side of the equal to symbol. So, n is equal to 6. So, in this way, by taking the least digit and dividing the given number, we can find out the factorial value. The next type of question we'll see here. Yeah. If n factorial is equal to 120 times n minus 3 factorial, then find the value of n. Okay. So first, we will take the question 120 times n minus 3 factorial. Let's write the formula for n factorial. N into, in terms of n minus 3 factorial. Okay. So n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial. Okay. We can write n minus 3 into so on, 3 into 2 into 1. So that is nothing but n minus 3 factorial only. Am I right? So now, right hand side I have 120 into n minus 3 factorial. Either side of the equal to symbol, n minus 3 factorial will be get cancelled. So I have here n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 is equal to 120. So this 120 also, we need to write it as a sum of the consequent of 3 numbers. Sorry. This 120 also we need to factorize and write product of 3 consequent numbers. Product of 3 consequent numbers. Consequent numbers means what? Consecutive numbers means what? So one after the other comes, right? So 120 if I have taken and factorized with the prime numbers, let's go with the 5. 5 is a prime number. 5 2 is a 10, 25 4 is a 20. Next, 5 doesn't go. Take 2, 12. Next, 3. Okay, 2, 6 is 12. 2 3 is 6. 3 1 is 3. So this can be written as 5 times the next greatest 3 times 2 times 2. 3 2s 1 3 and 5. Okay. So we need to represent this 120 also product of 3 consecutive numbers. Product of 3 consecutive numbers. How can we do that? 3 already there, 5 already there. So 4, but 1 2 is remaining. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 5. So 4, 5, 6. So we can represent this and this multiply, these two multiply. So we will get 3 consecutive numbers, product of 3 consecutive numbers. So 6 times big number we will write first. Next to the second small number is a 5 and 2 2s are 4. Why we represented? Left hand side we got n and n is got decreased to the 1 and again that n only got decreased to the 2. So these are the 3 consecutive numbers which starts with n. In the same way 120 also we will factorize and put up as a 3 product of 3 consecutive numbers. So if we compare the both sides of both sides of equal to symbol LHS and RHS, we will get to know n value is 6. In this way we can find out n value as 6. So nothing. So first write the n factorial formula and cancel the n minus 3 factorial and factorize this 120 and put it as a product of three consecutive numbers. Hence, we got a three consecutive n terms on the left hand side and compare the both sides and give the value for the n. So this is how we can do. And next question, let's see the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is find the value of 2n factorial by n factorial. This is the question. Coming to the answer. Yes. First, we know the formula of 2n factorial. What it is? 2 power n into n factorial into 1 into 3, all odd numbers, 3 into 5 into so on, 2n minus 1. So this is the 2n factorial divided by n factorial. So n factorial get cancelled. So here we get the answer as 2 to the power of n into 1 into 3 into 5 odd numbers so on, 2n minus 1 is the answer. Simple. Let's see one more question, question number 5. Find the value of 9 factorial minus 6 factorial divided by 4 factorial. How can we solve this sum? Let's see. First, 9 factorial can be written as 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. We can stop till here now because in the denominator we have a 4 factorial. Even 6 factorial we will write until the 4 factorial. 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial. So when we have a negative symbol in the numerator, we can't cancel. So let's take out a 4 factorial outside common as a common. Then we get 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 minus 6 into 5. 4 factorial already we have taken out as a common divided by 4 factorial. Now we can cancel both the numbers. That is equal to, what do we get if we multiply 6 5s are 30, 37s are 210, 210 8s yeah, 15,120 minus 6 5s are 30. So if we subtract, we get 15,090 as answer. So this is how factorial questions we can solve with a one simple formula, n factorial formula. Hope you liked it and understand. Keep following. Thank you.